Welcome to my channel. My name is Pamela. Today I'm going to do a room tour, basically of my room. I'll show you where my bedroom is and where my utensils are. So this is a single room where everything is in it. Let me say all my things are in it. The most important part of living in a single room, guys, is that you wake up and see all of your properties. Let's say your net worth, you see all. So this is, I'm going to show you all my net worth. When I wake up in the morning, I see everything, and that's the beauty of it. So there's nothing to hide, there's nothing to be scared of, that maybe my things are lost, because you sleep with them in one single room. So today I'm going to show you where I stay as someone who has just started life on our own, and somehow it is going on well, though there are ups and downs, and always there are doubts. There are you doubt yourself whether you're going to make it. You wake up and you don't feel like doing anything. Yeah, I know, but all in all, I'm trying, and I hope all goes well. Guys, I'll start with my bed. This is where I sleep. This is my bed. This is my bed where I sleep. I have 4 pillowcases with beautiful designs. I have this duvet, which is so nice. It is pink in color. It's rhyming with my pillowcase, guys. So this is where I sleep. This Majon Koto is where I lay when I feel like resting, or in the night. This is where I sleep. As a Christian girl, I also have my Bible. It is always on my bed, just there to protect me. The second thing is I have this mat that I got from auction. So it is nice. For the starters, it is well and good. This is the bed area. Let's say this is the bedroom. Yeah, this is the bedroom, looking so nice. For a starter, I believe it is okay. In this area, this is my wardrobe. Guys, this is where I keep my clothes. My wardrobe. You see, this is cute. For a starter, it is nice. So all is well. And yes, this is my wardrobe for the bags. Let's say for sleigh bags, for school backpack. So far, so good. So this is my wardrobe. For the hustlers, they do understand. So this is where I keep my clothes, all my properties at once. I wake up and see all my clothes at once. So for the starters, it is all well and good. As for this one, this is where I keep the shoe rack. This is where the shoe rack is, where I keep my shoes. And yeah, and also my books. So this one, thanks to Magic Company, for this detergent company, it has provided me with a shoe rack. Survival for the fittest. So here is where I keep my shoes. Keep my books and other things that really do not need to be scattered. So I keep them here. This is my shoe rack. Yes, this is my dressing mirror that I bought a week ago. So the girl is trying. So this is where I dress up and check on my outfit if I'm dressed well before going out. So this is my dressing mirror. Yes, this is welcome to my powerhouse. Yeah. This is my kitchen. Yeah, this is where I put my utensils. I put my utensils in this one. This is where I keep other stuff that I don't use. These are my foodies, things that I use for cooking. So this is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. So far so good. These are my jerrycans. And I wanted to this one. I wanted to show you guys. This is my pot that I use, and I've put this. I don't know if you guys have seen. This is, in our language we call it chill. So I've put it here. I've hung my pot here just for it not to break in case of any accident. So here it is safe. Then here also this one, I have my these things. This one, which is also delicate, so I keep them up here just for them to be safe. Then lastly, this is where I keep my ingredients. So this one is caratona, this one is rosemary, this one is magadi, this one is what? This one is roiko powder. This one is pinjali, or we call it turmeric. We have cinnamon for tea. We have cloves. We have baking soda. We have another one also. We have turmeric. So this is where I give my ingredients for cooking. You see, simple for starters. This is my kitchen. Bye.